Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieve this beautiful look. To start with, I'm using my Million Pauline gel liner. Then what I do is I start up like with a stroke from the beginning to the end of my eyebrows. Then at the end, I'll just draw a line. Then afterward, I'll go ahead and draw the eyebrow, making the stroke to appear at the middle. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please kindly support your girl. When I'm done, I'll go ahead and use my brush to brush it down to make it look natural. Brush. To conceal the eyebrow, I'm using my Podaya. I got the Podaya concealer from AliExpress. So what I do is I like to mix it with the color of the foundation that will match the skin of my clients. When you mix it, it will be more relaxed onto the skin. For my shadow, I'm going in with my Gold Flower palette eyeshadow. It's a very nice shade eyeshadow. So I'm going in with this sharp red for my transition. I'm going to go ahead and blend in, out. Make sure you blend it very well. To smoke it out, I'm going in with this dark red. I'm just going to use it to smoke out the end of my eyes. Yeah, smoke it very well. When I'm done, to cut my crease, I'm using my palette. This palette is from Classic. It's very nice for crease cutting. Concealer palette and highlighter. I think that is what they wrote at the back. Classic concealer palette. For my inner eye corner, I'm using this Blossom. I think this is a white color. I'll use it for my inner eye corner. The next eyeshadow, I'm going to be using this sharp blue at the middle. This shadow is also from Blossom. Very nice. You need to try it. You have to be careful while working on your crease. So when I'm done, I'm going to use a neat brush and smoke, like blend in between the white and the blue. When I'm done, I'm going to use same cauliflower, this sharp yellow at the middle before I do the final smoke out with same dark red. And that is all for the shadow. For my eyelining, I'm going in with same Million Pauline This time around, I'm using black to line the eyes. So guys, I'm done. I'm going to clean out the excesses from the shadow. Then for my primer, I'm using Blossom. If you have not tried Blossom primer, please do. For my foundation, I'm going in with LA Matte foundation. This foundation is very, very nice, but you have to be fast in blending it. Puder concealer to highlight. I mean to say to highlight, I'm using Puder, same one I use for the brows. To set my highlights, I'm using this Doodoo Girl press powder. It's very nice. I love this powder. I'll just use it to set. Set all the areas that I highlighted. Then for my baking, I'm using Banai setting powder. It's from Banana Products. To contour, I'm using my LA Girl palette contour and highlights. I'll just use it to I'll just use it to contour the areas I wouldn't want it to be so visible. Then I'll also use it for the nose. Then for the lipstick, I'm using this lipstick. Oh my god, I got this lipstick a very long time ago. I can't even remember the name. But the first one I'm using for the lining is from Classic. Dark purple. Just use it to line. Then this is a sharp red. I should call it sharp pink. Then I'll add a little of my concealer, LA Girl Pro Concealer at the middle. Then you blend, use any of your wet lips to finish up the look. Then I'll use same foundation which I use for the skin to clean up the mouth. When you use your foundation, it will be very easy for you to clean. Then to finish up this look, I'm using my Tala. I just saw the powder, I loved it, and it's very nice, very smooth. I'm so sorry if you are hearing noises in the background of this video. So sorry for that. So for my blush, I'm going in with this Missini palette blush. The name is Missini. For my lining, I'm going in with same gel liner, Million Pauline, to line the waterline. For my spray, I'm using Carrots from Botany. For my bronzer, I'm using Annie's Lady palette bronzer. So guys, that is all for this look. If you love this tutorial, kindly support your girl by subscribing if you have not subscribed, and share this video with your friends and family. and give me a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.